Okay, so my last little aside for you is just a little bit of a tip in terms of looking at reactions in pairs. So we've learned a variety of reactions now, and looking at them as opposites of one another and being able to recognize that will be really helpful in being able to know or to figure out what products you're going to make. So, in an oxidation and reduction, they're just opposites of one another, and you have hydrogen gain or loss. So, in an oxidation reaction, let's say we start out with ethanol, for example. Let's just do ethanol for both. I'm just going to draw it down here too. Okay, so if I start out with ethanol, if I oxidize ethanol, I'm going to make a aldehyde, which would then oxidize further into a carboxylic acid. But um, the starting reaction, the first reaction that you do is to the aldehyde. And then a reduction reaction is just the opposite. We go from an aldehyde back to an alcohol using hydrogen and palladium. So you can see how those, you can do an oxidation and then a reduction. And if you wanted to, you could oxidize it again and reduce it again. And you're just going to keep going through that cycle. Dehydration and hydration is the same type thing, but instead we have water being gained or lost. We have ethanol. In a dehydration, you lose water. In a hydration, you add water back into that alkene, a cycle that you can, again, just keep doing over and over. So looking at these reactions as pairs is going to help you guys understand and remember these reactions better.